Okay, so this is a demonstration of the audition spot in Finlandia. And so this is on the last page of the Finlandia. If I counted right, this is the fourth measure after M, letter M. I'm guessing the tempo is around 110. You know, it could be anywhere between 100 and 120, I think. Yeah, somewhere in there. So this isn't very hard. This is probably the easiest section of all of the audition spots and the orchestral stuff that you got to do. Let's look at where. I wish there were measure numbers. So let's look at, so find letter M, go down a line, second measure, okay, because I want to look at this scale coming up, and then back down, and then you get to letter N. Okay, so you're going to be in third position, so find that G, so you go, and then make sure you have a low one because it's an A flat. Okay, so you know, as the fingering is written there, I think is the fingering to use. Okay. So I'm going to play it again. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so you start in third position. Okay. Then you have a third measure after N. This is not hard at all. Just remember that you have to play a fourth finger on that A flat, okay? So then you got to get that B natural, that one up. And that's not a tremolo, that's just a dotted quarter note. Okay, so you're syncopated. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Hold on. Ba 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 ba. All right. So it's like this. Okay. And then the last measure of that line, on that B natural, do a 2, get a 2 on that B natural, because then in the second measure of the next line you have an E flat, and it's just easier to grab that E flat without having to move your second finger back. Okay, so you're doing the and then you have the okay. All right, so I'm going to play the whole thing, okay? And I'm not going to go 110, but I'm not going to go real slow, okay? Because I want you to kind of hear how it all fits together, okay? Okay, 1 da 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 da. Okay, so that's that tempo. Now I'm going to go just a hair faster. Let's find where 110 would be. 110 would be, excuse me. So that's not too bad. That's not too out of reach. So okay, and that's all there is to that. All right.